single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name is James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video with this 2014 64 plate Ford Ranger 3.2 TDCI 200 Wildtrak. It's got the Raptor kit on it. It's done just 78,000 miles and it's got full service history. Okay, so we've been doing these walk around videos for quite a while now and we found them to be really popular because it means you get to view the vehicle from the safety and comfort of your own home, but as if you were here in person. As I go around the truck with you today, we'll look at all the panels individually. If we're looking for any marks, scratches or dents, we'll look at the wheels and the tyres, we'll have a look in the back, then we'll have a look inside the truck, looking at the seats, the functionality, and I'll even tell you what it smells like inside. Once we've done that, we'll pop the bonnet, have a look at the engine, and finally we'll have a look underneath at the underside of the engine, the chassis and the spare wheel. Now, once you've watched the video, if you're happy with what you see and you want to buy it, a small deposit will secure it, and we can pretty much deliver it anywhere that you need it to get to. If you're looking to finance a vehicle, we'll go through an application with you, take about 5 minutes, and we can usually get you a decision within about an hour. This vehicle's not subject to VAT, so you wouldn't need a deposit. However, if you put a deposit in, obviously then that will reduce your payments on a monthly basis. Once you've watched the video, again, if you think I've missed something or if you want to see something in a bit more detail, please just ask. It's not a problem. I can show you absolutely anything that you need to see. Right, let's start with the bonnet and then we can work our way around from there. So you'll notice it's got the bonnet bib, which obviously is great because it means that they are there to basically prevent stone chips, and as far as I can tell, it's done its job. Nice clean condition. The bonnet's in great condition as well. There's no nasty dents. It really does look nice and clean. Right, so front bumper, headlights, etc. So I'll notice straight away there is a little bit of a mark there. It's nothing serious, but obviously I don't want to miss anything out. So headlights, front bumper working around onto the front grille. It has got the FORD grille, looks great, and obviously the passenger side headlights as well. Onto the front wing, and as you can see, it's in nice clean condition. The aftermarket plastic kit that's been put on is in great condition as well. It looks really good and it fits well as well. So it's got the metal wheels with BF Goodrich tyres. Wheels are in great condition, as are the tyres. Lots of tread, I guess about 6 or 7 mil. Front windscreen is nice and clean. It's free from damage. There's no stone chips or cracks. Passenger mirror back's nice and clean. There's no damage, and that's the same for the mirror. Let's work away over the sides first. So you can see on the pillars there's no damage or dents. Let's work our way down the passenger side now, and again it's in lovely condition. All the gaps look right. There's no nasty damage and there's certainly no nasty dents. Hopefully you can see and appreciate that from the video. Side steps are in nice clean condition as well. There is a little bit of a dent there. You see that? It's not massive, but obviously you can see it, so I'm going to point it out. Right, onto the rear quarter. And again, the plastics are in nice clean condition. They all look really good. And the panel's nice and clean as well. Rear wheel and tyre. That's the word I was looking for. The modular wheels and tyres. Modular wheels in great condition. Again, it's a matching tyre. And I'd say probably a little bit more tread on the rear as well. Onto the rear quarter and the tailgate. So lights are in nice clean condition. You can see that they've got the aftermarket light covers and they're in fantastic condition. Tailgate is really, again, really nice and clean. It's obviously been used as a car, not as a truck. As you can see, there's no tow bar. So rear bumper's in good condition. You can see that there's parking sensors and the bumpers are in really nice clean condition, and there is a reversing camera as well, which I'll show you working when we get inside. So into the rear of the truck, you can see that it's nice and clean in there. It's not been used heavily, there's no nasty burr marks or anything on there. It is in very clean condition. Right, so working our way down the driver's side. Tail lights in nice clean condition. Again, the plastics are in good condition as well. Everything looks nice and clean. Onto the rear quarter. And again, the plastics are in fantastic condition, as is the panel, and it really does look nice and clean. Driver's side rear wheel and tyre, wheels in great condition again. Tyre again matching, really lots of tread, nice and clean. Let's work our way down the pillars again. And again, you can see there's no damage on those. Let's have a quick look on the roof. And again, it's nice and clean without any damage. Right, so let's go down the driver's side. Again, you'll notice all the gaps are perfect, nothing's out of place, which obviously indicates there's no damage. It is HPI clear, and you can see that. If you're either looking on Auto Trader or eBay or even AA, it will show you obviously that each vehicle's HPI clear. We can produce a certificate for that, or obviously you can do it yourself, it's not a problem. Panels are really nice and clean, no nasty marks or dents that I can see. I am looking as best as I possibly can. Side step again, nice and clean. Onto the front wing, and again it's in lovely condition. There's nothing that's obvious sticking out. Plastics are in nice clean condition, and don't they look great as well. So driver's side front wheel and tyre, again modular wheel in fantastic condition with a matching tyre. So it's a full set of BF Goodrichs all round, and they're all very, very good condition. Driver's side mirror back, nice and clean, as is the mirror. Onto the interior. Just put that down there so we can have a look at the seats. So, driver's side door card is in great condition, there's no damage. On the driver's armrest, you've got your 4 electric windows and your window lock. Driver's seat, bolsters are really nice and firm, all the material's really nice and clean, and they're in very good condition. Only negative, it is slightly cracking on here, and they pretty much all do it, to be honest with you. Fully electric seat. And also it's a heated seat as well, as you can see. So we'll switch that on and we can try if that works while I'm sat in it. There are 2 proper keys. Let's start it up. It does start up straight away, no issues, no smoke. Turn the volume down. Right, so steering wheel is nice and clean, it's free from damage, there's no fading and there's no stitches being removed, everything looks really nice and clean. Dashboard, no warning lights apart from obviously the fuel's low and the handbrake's on. Steering wheel controls, so cruise control and then your media centre with voice command. Just all this basic stuff really. So it has got navigation, which works perfectly. So CD player, radio, auxiliary, it's got Bluetooth for your phone, and obviously all that works. Dashboard's nice and clean, it's free from damage. Being picky, the gear knob has got a little bit of the silver coming away, but it's just a gear knob, you could replace that very easily. So look at the reversing camera, and that is there, and as you can see it's nice and clear, works perfectly, and it's very visible to use. Obviously there's no tow bar on there, but if you put one on or you're reversing up against the wall, etc. Passenger seat, again bolsters are very firm, material's really nice and clean, seats are in fantastic condition, and there is an armrest. Quite a novelty on these. There's a vent in there, put your air conditioner on, open that vent, and you put your drinks in there, you put your sandwiches in there, whatever, and obviously the air conditioning will keep it cool. Talking about air conditioning, let's give that a whirl. So it's not instantly cold, but it is getting colder. But it's not freezing, but it does work. What else? Cup holders in the front, switchable 4-wheel drive, everything works perfectly. Roof lining is nice and clean, it's free from damage, I can tell you as an ex-smoker, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in here to me. Once you get that smell in the vehicle, it's very difficult to get, and as I say, for me, I can't smell it. Down this side, you've got your electric folding mirrors, your mirror control there as well. I say everything's nice. It feels nice to sit in as well, which is always a bit of a bonus. Right, so let's pop the bonnet in the back. So again, door cards all really nice and clean. The seats look in fantastic condition. If I'm honest, I don't think they've really been used in the back. Everything looks really very clean. All the toolkits and everything's there. Yeah, everything's spot on. Right, let's have a look under the bonnet. Oh, by the way, the heated seat works. Heated seat works, even. Get my words out. So, under the bonnet, obviously it's got full service history, it's been well maintained. It doesn't take a genius to figure that out. All the fluids are very clean and to the correct levels. It's got a genuine Ford battery, which is always nice to see. Belt's in fantastic condition. Oops, sorry. Turbo unit, you can see there's no oily residue around it. In fact, there's no signs of any historic oil leaks. Everything looks really clean under there, to be honest with you. And obviously it's got full service history to back that up. So a quick look underneath. So the underside of the engine, again, there's no signs of any historic oil leaks. Everything looks nice and clean and dry under there. And that's the same throughout. Spare wheel is a full size and it's got plenty of tread on there. Rear diff is nice and dry, there's no oily residue around it. Okay, so hopefully I've shown you everything that you would need to see if you were here in person, maybe a bit more. Obviously I can't drive it for you, but obviously if you do need to see anything else, please give me a shout. It's not a problem, I'm happy to show you anything that you need. But for the moment, thanks for watching and sticking with me, I really appreciate it. For the moment though, stay safe, look after yourself, goodbye.